In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do, you want to choose your language. And then you want to choose the country you're in. We're just going to say the Americas. Then we're going to click on accept and we're going to click on next. Then it says, now let's connect to the internet. And we're going to click on OK. Then right here, select your time zone. I'm going to click on OK. And right here it says you can transfer data from your Nintendo Switch to your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you have a Nintendo Switch, you can click on Start System Transfer, or you can say, hey, select this option if you don't have a Switch. And for this video, we're just going to say we don't have a Switch. With Nintendo, you can play games. Yeah, we're going to click on Next. I'm using the stand, as you can see. Then they give you some little instructions on how to use it. That's 1. And that's 2, how to release the Joy-Cons. Then we have the controller, we click on it. You can connect to a TV, or you can say later. We're gonna say later. Then we're also gonna click on skip and choose the style. We're gonna click on OK. And then right here you can sign in to your Nintendo account, or you can say add without signing in. We're just gonna say add without signing in. Right here you can create an icon. We're just gonna say create an icon. We're just gonna choose one. You have your background. You can also modify that. And we're gonna click on OK. Then choose your nickname. Just gonna say something. And then we're going to click on A. And we're gonna click on OK, guys. And here you can add another user, or we're just gonna say skip. Set the parental controls if you would like. We're just gonna say skip. And here it says if you have a micro SD express memory card, you can insert it. But for this video, we're just gonna say skip again. Set to complete. If you click right here on the home button, you get this cool Nintendo Switch screen. We attach your Joy-Cons. And yes, that is how you set up the Nintendo Switch 2.